Welcome to Da Nang, and let's check out the beach today. It is cloudy. Look at this. It's not that good weather today. Interesting. It is still hot. Let me check the temperature. 30 degrees, cloudy. And it says it's raining soon, but I don't think so. It rains maybe in the nighttime sometimes, but not that much. And I think it's still good weather to go to the beach. It's actually better to go to the beach when it's that cloudy. You're not gonna get sunburned that easy. Probably still a little bit. Maybe it's sneaky. But as you can see, it is, cloudy. Nice refreshment. I think the last weeks it was always blue sky. It rained at night a few times, but other than that, it is pretty good. The US dollar is still 26, Australian 16.4. Euro went down a little bit. I exchanged a lot of money on my money apps where you can change money when it was very high. I think I had an exchange course of 29.7 or something, or 29.8. Was pretty good. I think having euro at the moment is very good here. But I have no idea how long that can go. But let's check out also what's going on in the night market. I just met a lovely Pommy, an English person, who opened something up there yesterday. I want to see his lot. Hello. I want to see his lot. And how it goes now. Not sure if he's gonna be there, but I also heard there's gonna be another Indian restaurant, but I'm not sure. Do you know what it's gonna be? Because I think there are already now 2 Indian restaurants, or is it 1? Haveli. What do we have here now actually? We have a tour agency. We have a little stall, massage spot, the vitamin shot. And now let's check out, I think this is the bamboo hut from him. Oh, okay. Not bad. He has 12 fans here, 12. And I think this is gonna be the kitchen. Okay. I think they need more stores here. This has to be open too. What is this? Performance schedule. So they have some live performances here. I have not seen this bar yet open it, but I think, I'm not sure which refrigerator this is, from here or there. But you know what? This is a good sign. The beer here. What is very bad is this here. Look at this. This is a trip. They have ice cream now here at Blum Bakery. And I think this is gonna be also done soon here. There's another hut here. I'm not sure what this is. This is like a little, I think they just finished this up here. Interesting. Okay. I like those entrances here with the hearts. I don't know what this will be. But this is like a beachfront. You can sit here and have a good view to the beach. It's still not open yet. I think the grand opening is in end of June or something. That's what I heard. This is how it looks. I'm not sure if the focus is totally on night market or if it's a daytime thing too. And let's check out the beach today. I heard there were good waves the other day. I think yesterday or the day before. But I see today some surfers out there. Oh my God, I see someone catching a wave. That's great. It's like a perfect mix right now. You can surf, you can go to the water. The water is pretty packed, not packed, but lots of people in there. I think it's also more fun when there are some of the waves. It looks good. There are some clouds over there, but it's still very nice. Yeah, it's still hot, guys. Ooh. But it feels very calm. It's morning right now. Morning. Now the sun comes out and you feel it instantly. When the sun is a little bit out, you get the heat. So those clouds are pretty nice actually for a beach day. It's not always the prettiest, especially for the camera. It's better if it's like nice and blue sky. But yeah, it's good. Lots of Indian tourists here. Everywhere. I feel like there are some more flights now. It's always like a on and off with the season maybe. Maybe there's some vacation season in India. But you see way more streets with bus groups of Indian tourists. Other than that, it's pretty much normal. It's not a big spike or anything. You see more domestic tourism, of course. But then that's more in the evening. Also more in the Sontra area, I would say. Maya Beach. Also pretty calm today. Yeah, actually it's way better to go to the beach when it's a little bit cloudy. You see it, lots of people are out there today. But you know what? We're actually gonna go, Marcus and I will go to Nha Trang. So be excited. We're gonna film a lot in Nha Trang. I'm also gonna do a lot of walking tours there as well. My God, there's good waves. Ooh, my God, the people are surfing like crazy here. That's amazing. Hold on, let me see if I can capture this a little bit better. Wow, the waves are big here. So guys, for all the surfers, there is still hope, even in the summer. Oh, now it's over. It was like a little wave. Okay, now it's back. I think I at least see 30 people surfing, at least. Yeah, There's some good waves actually. I mean, for the time of this year, right? But it looks pretty fun in there. I don't know if people can surf there where you can only swim, but yeah, pretty interesting. Yeah, what I wanted to say, yeah, we're gonna go to Nha Trang. I'm gonna test out Nha Trang. If it's as good or even better than Da Nang, or worse, we will find out. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Also, if you have not yet, check out my latest Furama Villa video. I went with my Vietnamese family to the Furama Villas on my main channel, Social Sammy. But yeah, what's going on here at the High An Hotel? What do we have here? Still very slow progress. They don't really work yet, I feel. But they're about to start at any time, I think. Oh, look at this beach part. It's very empty. Very nice. People are in the water here. This is the pasta place. It's going to be very interesting. I don't even know what to eat in Nha Trang. I asked my wife and she was like, some kind of dishes, and I'm like, I don't know what to eat there. But we will definitely find out. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Oh, I'm sweating. It's hot. It's humid and hot. 30 degrees Celsius, but it's very, very hot. So generally now, even if I don't put a degree or Celsius or Fahrenheit or whatever, it's always hot and humid, and it will not change. No matter if it's like cloudy like this or sunny, it's always hot and humid. I would say it's even more humid right now because of the little bit of rain around and yeah.
Okay, feet help.
Beautiful. Comment below. Do you like it more cloudy and hot, or full-blown sun on you and blue sky for a day out on the beach? I think some charming, those are not charming, charming clouds. You know those nice white little puffy clouds, the charming looking ones? Those are not that, but I actually like those charming clouds. That would be cool. I guess you cannot do that unless you're in Dubai. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. And see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Nha Trang is coming next.